moving in a tactical formation carrying the national flag of India and Durand Cup flag, skillfully maneuvered by the commanding officer himself and Captain Prasanna Kumar, and the second aircraft by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Sharma and Major Sakshay. Following these in a tactical formation are two light combat helicopters known as Prachand, which is an agile and potent rotorcraft designed for combat operations in diverse terrain. Led by Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Grewal and Major Harvinder, and the second one by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Madani and Major Savil. Last but not the least are the two advanced light helicopters, also known as Dove. The aircraft is piloted by Lieutenant Colonel H.S. Tanwar and Major Vishal Singh, and the second aircraft by Major Rahul Chaudhary and Major Rakesh Vashish from the 206th Army Aviation Squadron, the Indomitable. The Army Aviation Corps has been an integral part of the Kargil War. Operation Pawan, from rescue operations to recce operations, they are deployed in every terrain, be it glaciers or deserts. Brace yourself to witness the formidable power of the light combat helicopter, also known as Prachand.